Listen carefully. We usually think of consciousness as something that appears at the top of life, as if matter comes first, biology follows, intelligence emerges, and only then, somehow, consciousness turns on. But what if that order is reversed? What if consciousness is not the final product of life, but the pattern life keeps repeating? A fractal is a structure where the same pattern appears at different scales. Zoom out, and the pattern holds. Zoom in, and it's still there. Not identical, but recognizable. Nature is full of fractals: branches, lungs, rivers, neurons, galaxies, different forms. Same organizing logic. So the question becomes, is life doing the same thing with consciousness? Look closely. A single cell responds to its environment. A nervous system integrates signals. An animal experiences sensation and emotion. A human reflects, questions, and becomes self-aware. At every level, something is registering reality and responding to it. Not thinking the same way, not knowing the same way, but experiencing. Each layer adds complexity, not origin. If consciousness only appears at the human level, then everything below us is mechanical, blind, and empty. But that creates a problem, because human consciousness doesn't arrive fully formed. It develops gradually from infancy, from sensation, from awareness without language, which suggests that consciousness doesn't suddenly appear, it refines itself. Seen this way, life looks less like a ladder and more like a recursive pattern. Consciousness expressing itself as sensitivity, responsiveness, awareness, reflection, meaning. Each level contains the previous one, not erased but reorganized. That's exactly how fractals behave. This doesn't mean everything is conscious in the human sense. A cell doesn't contemplate existence. A plant doesn't question identity. An animal doesn't build abstract belief systems. But none of that defines the root of consciousness. Those are expressions, not prerequisites. If life is a fractal of consciousness, then consciousness is not located in one place. It's not trapped in the brain. It's not owned by intelligence. It's not limited to self-image. It's a process repeating itself through form. Each layer adds depth. None of them create it from nothing. So, is life a fractal of consciousness? Not as a belief, not as a metaphor, but as a coherent explanation for why awareness appears everywhere life organizes itself, and why the same principles echo from cells to minds to societies. And if that's true, then consciousness isn't something life discovers at the end. It's what life has been doing all along, at every scale, in every form, without interruption. If this message resonated with you, stay connected. Subscribe, follow, and share this with someone who needs it.